Yeah. Take that, mofo. 1, 2, 3. Alright, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to install a PlayStation Mini into your car. Well, this one will be a Q50. Alright, and if you like this video, click subscribe and notification and leave a comment. Alright, so hooking up your phone to your display is cool and all. If you need it in pinch, if you have to have your map up there, you can. One more thing I forgot to tell you is you have to have your e-brake on this car on all the way. Now, you can't do that while you're driving, of course, but there is a button. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's a button up there that if you put some tape on it, you can do it while you're driving. But you'll get some error lights up there that says, you know, error lights that say that your brake is on. So I wouldn't do it personally, but that's not the only thing that's cool about the display, because not only can you put your phone display up on the top screen, you can also put that up there. That is the PlayStation. That's the PlayStation Mini. And so what I got is an adapter, right? I've got the HDMI to video mini auto, whatever it's called, converter, and then got the USB for that. And then let's put this in. If you can see, they have a little. Always put the white part down. That's just how it's supposed to go. Alright, so got that in there. Okay, now I've got my long USB to mini USB, or sorry, micro USB. And we're going to plug it in there. Oh, wait a second. I am totally wrong. The white part's supposed to be on the bottom, or on the top end, because this white part is supposed to be on the bottom. There we go. Now, put the wires so they funnel out of that hole. You can still close your compartment. Alright, so put the HDMI in there. Put the micro USB in there. And let's go ahead and plug in the controller. That's where I'll get better at filming this. Alright. Oh man, that's not enough power. What I'm going to do is, now I could try to tuck the cable up under there. I don't think I really need to. How the fuck did that shut down? The garage door closed by itself. That's kind of creepy. Okay, so I got the HDMI cable to the back of this thing, right? And then hope that's getting it in the shot. Maybe turn it this way a little bit. And then got the USB to micro USB. If that's what it takes. Yeah, there we go. Making me look bad there, buddy. Alright. And then they've got a little notch right here, which is pretty cool on both sides that your cables can go through. There we go. I'll eventually clean that up, but let's go ahead. Just for demonstration purposes, let's see if we can do this. The struggle is real. Alright. I'll put my controller in here. And oh. Now let's see. When we turn it on, hit the start button once, hit the start button again. Audio, it's on aux. Oh man, there's not enough juice in there. Damn it. Oh, I was so hoping. Alright, so here's the final setup. So if you look on the passenger side, where I'm at now, you can see there's just a couple cables that are spotted under here, and it tucks into the center console nicely. Well, it doesn't look real nice, but it hides real well. And so all you have to do is, let me see if I can even turn the car from this side. Yeah, you can. All right, so up in here, I have the USB adapter, right? This one will not work in that port down there. That one does not supply enough juice, right? So all I do is pull this one out, put it there. You see it's lit up, right? And then this is the USB that comes out of the PlayStation Mini. I've got it just barely enough so it fits. See that? And then here's the PS. I've got #1 controller over here. Alright, and then you can't see, but there's a little light right there. It's on orange. Go ahead and click it over to green. And then go to your audio. Oh, yeah, first you want to put it on the aux. See, it's up there, but I have my screen set to go to sleep. So you have to hold down the home button until it comes back on. And there you have it. PlayStation installed on the Q50. Oh, I've got the #2 controller. Sorry. So if you see I'm here, okay, everything works fine. I even got the audio working, because what I ended up doing for the audio, okay, so this cable right here is the HDMI cable. It goes into the HDMI to audio video converter. you have to have that set on. Let me see if you can see it right there. On the NTSC, right? There's this cable is the power that goes into this USB port right here. And then your video is your yellow cable that goes into here. See, yellow is always video, that goes in here, and the red and blue is your audio, and that I have it as to convert from audio cable to a 3.5-inch jack, I think it is. Alright, so that goes in there, and so there you have it. It's all set up, and the cool thing is that goes right in between this little gap right here. I love that, and it's stealth, and you can just play your games and have some fun. Alright, and then if I wanted to do my display, and here's the only thing I need extra is this converter. That's a Blackweb HDMI, or sorry, USB-C to HDMI converter, and then I can get my display to come on from the phone on there, but I never do that. So there you have it.
Round 1, fight! You win. Round 2, fight!
Yeah, take that, mofo. 1, 2, 3.